If you are running Amazon PPC campaign for your Amazon product and you are not profitable, you think that all of the budget you are using in Amazon PPC is eating all of your profit. If that is the case with you, which is most common for the new sellers, then this video is just for you. Because in this video, I'm going to explain you the whole strategy step by step, how to become profitable from Amazon PPC and what are the do and don'ts in Amazon PPC. So after watching this video, you will be able to analyze your mistakes, like what thing you are doing wrong, and I'll explain you step by step in detail how you can correct them and you can make your PPC profitable. Because Amazon PPC is a most complicated subject, but as you guys know that in all of my free videos in this playlist, I have made everything easy for you. Like based on my experience, I have explained you each and everything so you can learn for free and get the good results from your Amazon PPC campaign, right? So this video is going to be detailed video and this will be a little long. So I will 100% recommend you to watch this video in detail without skipping any part, because I'm going to break down this video into 3 parts. Firstly, I'll explain you the goal, like what should be your goal if you're running Amazon PPC campaign, so that you can make your mind clear and you can have one goal. And then in the second step, I'll explain you what is the pre-working you can do to achieve that goal. And in last, I'll explain you how to exactly execute that goal, like how to exactly rank your product. So when your product will be ranked on multiple keywords, so they will get organic sales as well. And you know, organic sales are 100% profitable for you, because to get those sales, you don't need to pay any money to Amazon PPC, right? So if all of the sales you are getting are from PPC, then you will not get profitable. So it's super important for you to find out the relevant keyword for your product, which are super relevant, and then you need to rank your product organically on those keywords. So out of those 100%, 60% sales you can get organic and rest 40% you can rely on PPC. So if you do so, then believe me guys, you can actually make a good profit from your Amazon product, just like me and some other successful sellers. But again, I'm telling you, don't skip any part and watch this video in detail, because it is super important. And I have noticed that before, like sometimes you guys don't watch the full video and then later on asking questions with me in the comment box or in inbox, and most of the time those questions I have already addressed in one of my videos. So if you're ready to learn the proven exact strategy that you can implement on your PPC to get more profit, then let's start the video. But before getting started, I'm having an exciting news for you, because I'm giving you a chance to win a free consultation call with me. So to enroll in that lucky draw is super simple. All you have to do is comment on this video and join my Facebook group Ways to Sell Online. That's it. This is a 10-second process. So what are you waiting for? Go there, enroll yourself in that free lucky draw and get a chance to win some valuable stuff every week. And the details about the winners and the prizes you can find in that group. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here on Amazon website, I will search a product for you just to give you an example. Because in the first part of this video, I want you to be clear about your PPC goal. So once you are clear, then you will understand what you have to do and how to do it, right? So for example, if I'm a buyer and I go on Amazon, search for my product which I want to buy, right? So for example, I want to buy a lunchbox. So if I just go on search engine and type lunchbox, so you can see that if I type lunchbox, so it is showing me some results. Like these are relevant search terms for that keyword, like lunchbox for women, for men, kids, lunchbox container, lunchbox ice packs, lunchbox for girl, for boys, right? And if I just do a little modification on this keyword, so you can see multiple more results. Like if I just add the word school in the starting of this keyword, so this keyword is now 3 words, school, lunchbox. So now you can see that there are multiple more keywords Amazon is showing me, which people usually search on that search engine, because Amazon is a search engine, and the information which Amazon know about the customer, you and me don't know, right? So we need to believe on what Amazon is showing us, and then we need to find out which keywords are super relevant to our product, so we can actually rank our product organically on those keywords and later on get organic sales and make profit, right? So now you can see that there are multiple other keywords like school lunchbox for girls, school lunchbox for boys, for teens, for men, school lunchbox container, or school lunchbox Nike. And at the last you can see that school lunchbox accessories. So basically in this case, school lunchbox is the main keyword. So let's say if I search only keyword lunchbox here now on Amazon and press enter, so you can see that after searching lunchbox, which is the main keyword and very broad keyword, so Amazon is showing me some lunchbox. So logically all of these are lunchbox, but these are multiple varieties. We don't exactly know here like which lunchbox is for school, for man, for office, for boy, or for girl, or for any other else, right? So basically there are many variation, multiple variation for that keyword lunchbox, right? There can be plastic lunchbox, there can be stainless steel lunchbox, there can be pink lunchbox for girls or blue lunchbox for boys. So if we refine our search exactly to get what we want, then that will call the exact relevant keyword, and if we work on that relevancy, so we will be able to find the keywords on which we can get a lot of conversion. Because for example, if you are selling a lunchbox, let's say a blue lunchbox for boy, which is plastic lunchbox, right? So if your product is blue lunchbox for boys plastic, and if your lunchbox will rank on this keyword, so there is no guarantee that you will get sales, because the person who is searching for lunchbox, maybe he is looking for the office lunchbox or steel lunchbox. So if the customer see your listing here, so there are only 10% chance he will purchase and 90% he will not purchase, right? But now let's say if I refine my search like plastic school lunchbox for boy, right? So this is a long tail keyword, and this keyword is exactly telling what exactly I want. Like all of your audience, all of your exact laser targeted audience will search these kind of keyword, because they will refine their search as per the product they want. Because if someone is here to purchase a plastic school lunchbox for his son, so 100% he will not be interested in purchasing a stainless steel lunchbox or office lunchbox or maybe pink lunchbox, right? So now if I search for that keyword, plastic school lunchbox for boy, so here you can see that all the lunchbox I can see are for school lunchbox, and they are plastic lunchbox, and most of them are having blue color because I am searching for my boy, right? So now this is the whole concept. Like first of all, you need to refine the search of your buyer who is looking to purchase your product. And when you refine the search and when you know the audience, that means you are having your clear goal. Like the goal is to find all of those keywords which are super relevant to your product and which your exact audience is searching. And after finding those keywords, you need to rank your listing on those keywords organically. So when someone search for that exact keyword, just like that, so after searching, they will be able to see your product on top, just like these three sellers. So your product can actually reach out to the target audience organically, and you can get organic sales without spending money on PPC. And the cool thing about this keyword is, you can see if I scroll on top, so you can see that this keyword is long tail keyword. Like I have added multiple words like plastic, school, lunch, box, for boy. So usually not most of the people search these kind of keyword. Instead, only those people who want exact this product, they will search, otherwise not. So after using these kind of keyword, we can refine the search, and usually these keywords are having less competition. And if you target less competition keyword, so after spending very less money in PPC, you can easily get rank your product on these keyword. So that is the benefit number 2. Like if you use long tail keyword, so these keywords are less competitive. So if you use them, so it will be very easy for your product listing to get rank on those keywords, because they are less competitive and not many people are searching that. Only those people who are your exact audience will search. So in that way, you can cut out the competition, you can rank easily with low competition, and you can get organic sales and make more profit. So now at this point, these two steps are clear to you. Like what is your goal and what you have to do. Like goal is to rank your product organically on Amazon search engine, and what you have to do is you have to find the keyword which are exact super relevant for your product and which are less competitive. So you can actually get your product ranked easily on that keyword, and if that keyword is super relevant to your product, so you can get more conversion as well. Like conversion means the ratio of purchases on that keyword will be super high. Like as I said earlier, that if your product is ranking on lunchbox, so there are 90% chances that your listing will not get sale. But if your product is ranking on this keyword which is super relevant, so there are 90% chances your product can get sale and 10% chances are not getting sale, right? So now after defining your goal and after knowing what you have to do, the next and last step is to find out those keywords which are long tail, exactly define your product and less competitive. So for that, you have to go on your Amazon Seller Central just like that, and from the left tab you have to go on PPC Manager, Campaign Manager. So now from that Amazon PPC Campaign Manager, this is the place where the whole strategy comes in. So now listen to me carefully. There are mainly two types of campaign. Number 1, automatic campaign, and number 2, manual campaign. And inside the manual campaign, there are further 3 types like exact match targeting, broad, and phrase. So now to find the keywords which are super relevant to your product, we need to run 2 types of campaign which I call discovery campaign. Number 1, automatic campaign, and number 2, manual campaign for broad match, right? So if you run these 2 campaigns, like first you have to run the auto campaign for 3 to 7 days. So after running that campaign for 7 days, what Amazon will do is Amazon will broadcast your product advertised to multiple group of people. Like they can be male, they can be female, they can be of upper age, lower age, and they can have different interests. And after broadcasting your product ad to multiple group of people, Amazon artificial intelligence system will learn like which kind of people are interested in your product and which kind of not. So after 3 to 7 days, you can actually get the data about the keywords which are basically bringing you clicks and which are not. So when you run the automatic campaign and the manual broad campaign, so after 1 week, you will be having the list of keyword in an Excel sheet, and from all of the columns of that Excel sheet, you will be able to find out like how many impressions you have got, how many clicks you have got, and how many sales you have got. And that Excel sheet will also tell you like which sale you have got from which keyword. So now when in front of you, you will be having a sheet which is telling you like you are getting sales from this keyword, and this keyword. You have got 3 sales from this keyword, you have got 5 sales from this keyword, and you have got 0 sales from that keyword. And in front of you, you will be able to see the ad spend, like how much money your campaign is spent on this keyword, and against that money spent, how much sales you have got. Either you have got high sales or 0 sales. So after analyzing that Excel sheet, all you have to do is you have to skip all of those keywords which are only spending, giving you impressions but not clicks or sales. And you have to shortlist those keywords which are basically giving you clicks and sales. So now at this point, all of those keywords which you have shortlisted are the best keyword, and they are actually super relevant, long tail, low competitive keyword which your audience is actually searching. And now let me show you from where you can download that Excel file after running discovery campaign like auto and manual broad campaign for 1 week. So if I scroll down on this page, so you can see that on my account as well, I have run some manual campaign like campaign manual exec and some auto campaign which is campaign auto, right? So after running those campaign, you have to go on this left tab, and from there you have to go down and click on this measurement and reporting. And when you click on this drop down menu, so you can see the option here, sponsored ads report. So if you click on that option and then click on create report, so basically this is a page from where you can create multiple reports for Amazon PPC for your analyzing purpose, right? So here in this case, on the report type, I need to click on this drop down menu, and from there I can download multiple reports as per my requirements, right? So in this case, I need to click on campaign and download the campaign report. So I will be able to know like from this campaign in past 7 days, how many clicks I've got, how many sales I've got, how many budget I spent on each keyword, so I can find my golden keyword, right? And as you can see, multiple other options here like search term report, targeting report, invalid traffic report. So you can see that from this page, if you download those reports, so those reports will actually help you a lot in analyzing your PPC and making that better. So as you guys know that this video is just for the strategy purpose, like I have explained you what goal you have to set and what strategy you have to follow. But if you want to learn everything step by step, like how to run auto campaign, how to run discovery campaign, how to run manual campaign, and how to analyze this report after downloading, so you can watch my other videos which I have created separately on each of the topic on the same playlist on YouTube. So if you watch those videos, so you can actually learn the practical way free of cost. So after learning that practical way and knowing that strategy, if you follow that strategy and implement that, so you will be able to make a lot of money and make your campaigns profitable, right? And then if after watching all of those videos and doing the practice, if you find any question or difficulty, so you can join my Facebook group Ways to Sell Online, and you can post your question here and I will personally answer every question within 12 hours, right? So go there, join that group, learn the Amazon PPC from my free videos, and make a lot of money for yourself and get financial freedom. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.